Hi folks, welcome to Code Hunter. Today we are starting our course on Java Backend Development and it is the first video on JDK, JVM and JRE. So let's get started. First look at this diagram. I will be explaining using a reference. As per this diagram, first question arises, what is JDK or why we are using JDK? Because we need to convert high level code into bytecode so it run on our machine. Okay, then what is a machine? So we have a machine which is called Java virtual machine, which is the core. As per this diagram, you can say we have three levels. On top we have JDK, you can see here, and then we have JRE, and then the core which is JVM. Let's talk about the top layer as per diagram, which is JDK, which stands for Java Development. JDK is a software development kit required to develop Java app. It includes JRE as an interpreter or loader Java, a compiler Java C, an archiver Java, or a document generator Java Top, and other tools needed for Java development. And it has JRE also for Runtime Environment, and it has libraries. So we can say JDK is nothing but it includes JRE plus development tool in short. So let's talk about the second most layer, which is JRE, Java Runtime Environment. The JRE provide libraries. You can see over the diagram, we have a hello.java file. To execute this file, we need some external files and library, which is present in where? JRE. JRE provide us external files and external library to execute our code in JVM, or we can say it provide core libraries and supporting files to execute, or you can say Java code inside JVM. Let's talk about the core, which is JVM. JVM is a virtual machine that enables a computer to run Java program, or we can say JVM is a virtual machine that enables the execution of Java into a bytecode. So here a question arises, what is a bytecode? And I didn't mention bytecode conversion in diagram, so I will be explaining here. Bytecode in Java is a set of instructions for Java virtual machine. It is a platform dependent code that sits between low level and high level length. After Java code is compiled, bytecode is generated and it can be executed on any machine with JVM. It will provide us platform independency. So through bytecode, our code is become platform independent, so it can be run on Mac OS, Linux OS or Windows OS, anywhere, with inclusion of this bytecode. And bytecode is generated by JVM. Okay, so in simple words we can say JDK is nothing but inclusion of JRE plus development tools, and JRE is nothing but inclusion of JVM plus library or core file, and JVM core part of JRE responsible for running Java bytecode, or you can say .class file. This is the theoretical part. Now we are going on an IDE to check these things, how when we run our code and it will convert into bytecode. So now let's check the computer screen for bytecode conversion. To verify bytecode execution, we need to install Java and IntelliJ IDEA in our system. To install Java, I open my browser and search in Google for Java 8 download and open Oracle website. Here, if you have Linux OS, download the Linux version. If you have Mac OS, download the Mac version. If you have Solaris OS, then download the Solaris version. And if you have Windows version, Windows OS, so download the Windows version. I have Windows, so I am downloading Windows version. After downloading and installing Java, it is necessary to add the Java bin part to system environment variables. To do that, we need to open our C drive. Then navigate to program files, then to Java, you can see here, then JDK 1.8, then to bin. So from here, you just need to copy this part. After that, open Windows search like this, and then search for system environment variables or environment variables. So here you can see edit system variables, just click on it. Then navigate to environment variables where user variable and system variables are present. If you add bin part to your user variable, you need to add it again if the user changes. However, if you add your bin part to system variable, it won't change. So we add our Java bin part to system variable using Java home as a variable name. How we can do it? Just click on new and add Java home in variable name in uppercase like this, Java _ home. You need to follow these steps. We'll paste our bin path in variable value and press OK. I have already added this, so I won't do it again. But you need to follow these steps. It will work for you. So press OK and OK. After that, you need to check whether Java is installed properly or not. To do that, open CMD. Click here and then enter Java -version like this, Java -version. If you install properly, you'll see like Java version 1.8 like this. Okay, and Java runtime environment detail like this. Here you can see I have successfully installed Java in my system. We need to install an IDE to run our Java code. For that, we open our browser and in Google, we search for IntelliJ IDEA. Then click on download. There are two versions available. One is paid ultimate version, which is this, and other is free community version, which is this. We are going to install the free community version as it is sufficient for our development. So click on download here. After installing IntelliJ IDEA, open it and your UI is look like this. You will quickly become familiar with it because this UI is very user friendly, or you can say developer friendly. To create project, you just need to click on this new project, and so we are going to see bytecode. So I am writing the name as course name is JBDA lecture 1, and which is bytecode. Okay. Select language as Java. Build system is must and should be IntelliJ for Java code. JDK version you can select at 1.8 and just click on create. It will take couple of minutes to load your project. Here you can see we have a main class where hello world is written. Okay. So we are going to print this. We are going to compile this. You can compile via this button also, but we are not going to run or debug our code via this button now, as per now, but we are using terminal for that. Okay. To compile main.java via terminal, navigate to src. cd is a command to navigate or you can say opening a folder like src, and in src we have main. Press enter and then use the command ls to see main.java. So we are pressing ls here. So you can see the main file. To compile it, use javac. After running this command, a bytecode is generated. It will take couple of seconds. Yes, you can see a dot class file is generated. This is a bytecode. This dot class file or a bytecode is readable in IntelliJ. Right, you can see it is readable. Hello world, like main function public static void main. It may not be readable in terminal. We'll check via cat. You can see here it is quite readable because it is decompiled file. Okay, decompiled file. Enter ls once again. We can see we have two files now. Previously we have only Java, and after compiling we have a bytecode which is dot class file generated by JVM. To check this, we need to write a command which is called cat. And then we'll check main.class, which is our bytecode. I zoom it. Yeah, you can't read this, right? What is this? This is JVM dependent code. In this video, we covered JDK, JVM, and JRE and how code compiles in Java. In the next video, we will dive into object-oriented programming concept. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for updates on upcoming videos. Take care and happy learning.